guys, what's going on? It's you, Auntie. I got two brand new sneaker pickups coming in from my good friends over at Hibbett Sports. Want to thank Hibbett for gifting me both of these. I did pick both of them myself. As you guys know, big New Balance fan, and I'm just going through a huge New Balance kick, even more than ever. Dad shoe vibe, still very strong here in the Auntie household. And for me, it's just like the comfort and just the materials, the quality, all New Balances are always great shoes to throw on. They match with a lot of outfits. So I'm very excited about both of these. So let's get right into it. As you guys know, Hibbett Sports, great online website. Sneaky, one of the best websites to find sneakers when they're sold out everywhere. Hibbett always seems to have at least a few sizes of certain pairs that are sold out. So scour their website if you're looking for certain sneakers that might be sold out elsewhere. Also got great clothing, great app, Instagram page. Links to that will be in the description. But first up is the New Balance 2002R is what they're called. And this is a shoe that, again, totally looks retro, has that total dad shoe vibe, and especially the white with the blue and the yellow, it just totally has that look. The 2002R is, to me, like the ultimate dad shoe. You know, it totally looks like almost like an Air Monarch, but a little more sleek, a little more stylish. Looks like a true, 90s running shoe. But what's very great about these, and almost deceiving, this is one of the most comfortable sneakers and New Balances I own. They kind of have this, almost looks like a Nike Shock. It's like this gel in there. It takes away a lot of impact. And then here, as you can see, you got this big, wide foam piece. The comfort on these are just crazy, and they just have that look. So if you are looking for that cool, dad shoe vibe, this is totally it. And then this colorway is pretty clean too. It's a colorway you don't really see, all the time. You kind of got that yellow gold, the blue. This is actually like my high school football colors, kind of cool. Has New Balance energy on the end right there. Materials are, I'd consider them like average. This is a certain shoe because it's not like a collab or anything. Pretty straightforward. However, they're doing a lot of collabs in this shoe where you're gonna get and see premium materials. So you've got the New Balance running logo right there. Just looks totally 90s, little N right there. So got a lot of small hidden details, and then mesh throughout the shoe, mesh on the toe box, mesh on the back heel, 3M hit on the back, New Balance hit on the back, all blue on the inside. So I just really love these. This is a shoe, and then the outsole is looking pretty sweet too. Gray, blue, yellow. This is a shoe. The second I got them, I put them on the feet and wore them out of the house. Like, it was one of those shoes, I don't know, I was just very excited about these. They just kind of fit the aesthetic I'm kind of going for right now. Next up is another classic. It is the New Balance 990 V3. So what's cool is they're coming out with like basically like an anniversary edition of the V3. And to me, it's probably my favorite 990, the V3. The V4s and V5s, the most recent ones, those are nice. But to me, I always love the V3. I've got two other pairs. I've got the gray pair and the maroon pair in the V3. But I've got a lot of 990s. As you can see here, they do come unfactory laced. I laced a pair up for you guys. These could look kind of cool with maybe some gray laces. I might try to do that lace swap at some point, but this is the all black pair. Just to get you guys a closer look here, just so you can see this material. So mesh, you've got this really nice suede. These are obviously made in the USA, as you're gonna see right there, made in the USA, 3M hit. New Balance. So I always love this part here. Like, it just looks fancy. Made in USA in the script right in the back. And then what's another cool part here is I always loved like the tongue on this. It's almost got like, it's like embossed. As you can see there, New Balance USA. But I don't know, I really like the way the tongue sits on your foot. See, it's kind of curved. To me, these just, I don't know, they feel special. The V3s versus the 4s and 5s. 4s and 5s are still nice, but I always just love these. You have a little watchtower in there. There's your outsole. You even have a carbon fiber hit. The 3MN right there. That just really pops. The 990 there. And then obviously just the colorway itself is just really, really classic. You know, can't go wrong with a black New Balance. And this actually would be a really nice fit right here with the black hat. You know, neutral color, and then, the black shoe just really, really pops. So, I love these, so make sure you check the links in the description for both these shoes. I can't suggest them enough. If you're looking for a pair of New Balances right now, I'd say 990 V3s, scoop them up if you can. And then the 2002 R is just a really cool model from New Balance if you are into that dad shoe vibe. So as always, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.